Hi guys and girls, it's me, Gordon from GW TV. It's been a little while since the last video, but I thought I'd just do a little update for you. I've been really busy in the background. You'd have seen maybe in the last video, a link will come up for that up the top somewhere, that the van is being sold. And so I've got a friend actually that's buying the van, which I'm a bit sad about, but I'm also quite excited. And so I'm just spending the next couple of weeks getting the van ready to sell it to my friend. Also bought a new vehicle, which I'll explain a little bit more about maybe in another video. But one of the things I've been doing in the background since the summer is, you'll know the guys at Captain Seat. I'm really good friends with those guys. They fitted the seats in the T5 project, and I've built up a bit of a relationship with George, the guy who heads up the team there. He's the owner, and we get on really well, and I believe firmly in their product. It's great. I wouldn't recommend it if I didn't believe in it. And I spent a little bit of time over the summer just going up there. You might have seen the road trip video again, which I think the link will be somewhere. And I did a video for those guys, and so that video is going to follow now straight after this, and then I'll see you in the next video, guys, after yeah, maybe a couple of weeks once the van's gone. Cool, see you soon. Welcome to Captain Seat. We are based in Melton Mowbray, in the beautiful Leicestershire countryside, right in the middle of England. We are easily accessible via motorway and regularly accommodate customers from within the UK and across Europe. Since 2009, Captain Seat have been offering a high quality, bespoke car trimming service. We refurbish and replace the interior finish of a vast range of motor vehicles that include seats, rock and roll beds, upholstery, headlinings and steering wheels. We also provide interior trims in leather and leatherette, perforated leather, suede, Alcantara and many other fabrics in a range of colours and stitching options to suit your own personal requirements. The only limitation truly is your own imagination. We have complete control of our manufacturing process from design through to installation at our workshop. We fabricate our own rock and roll bed systems, which include both MOT compliant and M1 tested options. We guarantee all of our workmanship, including hardware and retrimming, for a period of 12 months from installation. Our unique, custom-built gas strut rock and roll bed is our most popular design option. It's available either as a 3/4 width 2-seat bed or as a full width 3-seat option. Our rock and roll bed can be easily operated by one person with very little effort, and in true Captain Seat style can be trimmed and stitched in any number of material and colour choices. We also have a reverse bed option, which is fitted closer to the front seats and opens backwards, enabling passengers to talk with one another and the rear to be used for storage. We are also able to provide our Captain Seat customers with a range of interior insulation and carpeting options for their motorhome project. We are even able to customise the stitching in your seats to incorporate any design such as a logo or initials for that truly bespoke look. We take pride in our workmanship. At every stage, your project is inspected and constructed to ensure the very best of finishes and nothing less than complete customer satisfaction. It is this deep-held commitment to quality, affordability and excellent customer service which has positioned Captain Seat at the forefront of our industry. Our workshop is open Monday through to Saturday. We have a vast number of seats which you can view. We're able to fit your new exchange front seats and your rock and roll bed whilst you wait, with installation taking little more than 30 minutes from start to finish. We're able to help you with any project, whether big or small. We've helped many people achieve their dreams on projects involving trucks, lorries, cars, boats, motorcycles, home furnishings and many more. Please call our offices to explore your project. For more information or to discuss your specific project, please contact us. We'd love to hear from you. So there we go, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. I really enjoyed making it for George and the team at Captain Seats. If you're in the market for some seats, check them out on their website. The link will be down in the description. And I'm hoping that I'll get another video or two out just before Christmas. But if I don't manage to, have an awesome Christmas and I'll see you in the new year. But hopefully I'll see you just before Christmas. Have a good one. Cheers, guys.